I promise you that after watching this video, you will have a 100% working step-by-step plan on how you can look like a model, even if you look like an average guy right now. Don't believe me? What would you think if I told you that these three guys are among the highest earning, most attractive male models right now? You will probably tell me, Levin, these guys look average at best. That's because these pictures were taken before they started their modeling careers and before they knew the secrets of the model industry. After joining the world of modeling, they got introduced to methods that made them transform into looking like this. Every average guy could look like a model with these same methods, but that would destroy the business of the model agencies. That's why you won't find them anywhere else on the internet. I also used these exact strategies to go from this to this in 3 years. Most of the things I tried in these 3 years didn't actually make a difference. So I cut out everything that didn't work and boiled it down to the 5 steps that actually made me go from an average guy to looking like a model. I am going to share these with you in this video. This exact 5-step blueprint I am about to share with you already helped my students Marcus and Cole to go from this to this in just 2 months. So if you don't watch this video to the end and implement these 5 steps into your life, you can't even complain about not looking good anymore, because I am literally giving you the pathway to model tier aesthetics in this video. You just have to listen closely to every single step from 1 to 5 because they become increasingly more important, with 5 being the one strategy every Hollywood star and model uses to get hollow cheeks and a chiseled jawline. Step 1. Frame maxing. One trait all models share is a wide frame because that is the first thing someone subconsciously notices when seeing you walking down the street. Yes, even before the face. When talking about the frame, I am referring to the distance between your outer shoulders. It can either make or break your whole body and appearance. Having a good frame also has a significant effect on the chance of you even getting noticed by girls on the street, because if you are short and have a narrow frame, 9 out of 10 times the girl you want won't even notice you, even if you have a majestic face. Before talking about how to increase your frame, we first need to understand why a wide frame is even considered an attractive feature. This question leads us back to human evolution because a wide frame portrays masculinity, strength, and security, attributes females had to look out for in a potential sexual partner if they wanted their offspring to survive. This thinking pattern is still ingrained into the female brain when choosing a sexual partner. If we know how to widen our frame, we can use this thinking pattern to our benefit. Building a wide frame consists of 3 components: increasing your bone density, increasing the number of muscle fibers in your muscles, and increasing your testosterone. At the end of the video, I am going to give you the blueprint on how you can increase all of these 3 things. Step 2. The mouth. This includes your lips, tongue, and teeth. We are going to tackle these problem areas with a simple morning routine. After brushing your teeth for 3 minutes, ideally with an electric toothbrush, get yourself a tongue scraper and scrape all the bad stuff from your tongue, because this is the stuff that makes your mouth smell bad. After doing this, we get to the real stuff. Everyone knows no matter how good you brush your teeth, most teeth still have that yellow look. This is actually what healthy teeth should look like and not completely white. There are many harmful chemical ways people try to combat this, but I'm going to teach you how to do it naturally with stuff you have at home right now. After washing your mouth and tongue, take a cleaned lemon peel and rub it on your visible front teeth. Now mix baking soda with some lemon juice and also scrub it on your teeth. Repeat this 2 times and your teeth will be ready to be in a toothpaste commercial. To finalize this quick morning routine, put a bit of Vaseline on the wet brush of your toothbrush and now kind of brush over your lips from the inside to the outside. It will make them appear much cleaner and add a bit of a voluminous look to them. Step 3. Skin. I won't sit here and just tell you that if you apply some cleanser and moisturizer twice a day, your acne will just magically disappear, because skin health and especially acne is a really complex and difficult problem to tackle. This stems from the fact that every person has a different skin type, which makes it impossible to give a one-stop solution to everyone. This is why I created a completely free guide on how to completely get rid of acne for every different skin type, which you will find at the first link in the description. Once you get rid of your acne, you want to get that nice healthy looking tan all models possess all year round. This can be achieved by either eating 5-10 carrots a day or using a daily beta-carotene supplement, which is the stuff that gives a carrot its orange color. Step 4. Eyes. Look at this video and tell me what made the biggest difference in the appearances of these models. You probably guessed it, the eyes. This applies even more to males, since attractive eyes are the most important feature a man can possess. We are going to focus on the 3 most important factors that determine the attractiveness of your eyes. The sclera and color of your eyes. Which one of these eyes is the most attractive? You probably picked number 3 because of the white sclera and sparkling color of the eyes. To achieve model-looking eyes like that, you need to consume food high in antioxidants like raw honey or blueberries. On top of that, you will need to avoid blue light as much as possible, especially at night. This can be easily done by just wearing a pair of blue light blocking glasses. Even world-class footballers like Erling Haaland use these glasses because blue light can also hurt your testosterone massively. Another method to lighten the color of your eyes is sun gazing, which can be harmful if done wrong. Done correctly, sun gazing just describes the action of looking into the sky in the direction of the sun for at least 10 minutes, but it is really important not to look directly at the sun, but rather at the blue sky around the sun. The eyebrows. Your eyebrows, believe it or not, can either make or break your face. Depending on your starting point, you will either need to trim your eyebrows down or make them grow more to achieve a result like this. All attractive male eyebrows like this share 3 common traits you have to aim for. Low set. This can be achieved by thickening the eyebrow area close to your eyes using a derma roller and a mixture of rosemary, batana, and castor oil. Dark and thick. This is desired for a menacing masculine look. If you have really light eyebrows, consider coloring them a shade darker, but it isn't a must. Positively shaped. This means that the outer corner of your eyebrows is a bit higher than the inner corner of your eyebrows. Dark circles and eye bags. It is a myth that the main reason for dark circles is a lack of sleep. This misunderstanding stems from a study done in the 80s. Half of the participants were instructed to sleep every night for 9 hours, and the other ones were just instructed to sleep less than 7 hours. The ones that slept just 7 hours or less had significantly stronger dark circles than the other half. But the sleeping amount of hours wasn't the real reason behind the difference in dark circles, which was revealed in more recent studies. The reason that the participants that slept 9 hours had less dark circles was because they always went to sleep at the same time and woke up at the same time to get the 9 hours in every night. The other half sometimes went to sleep at 10, sometimes at 12, and sometimes maybe at 9, but they didn't have a regular sleep schedule. So first and foremost, you will need to go to sleep and wake up at the same time every night. Secondly, avoid eating close to bedtime and reduce your sodium intake. This will already drastically decrease your dark circles. If your skin under the eyes is so thin that the dark circles still show, order yourself some Volufiline and put 1 drop on every eye bag a day. This will increase the fat pads under your eyes, which will stop the dark circles from showing as much. If you want to decrease your eye bags immediately, put some caffeine-infused cream or tea bags that contain caffeine on your under eye area for 5 minutes. After completing these steps, your eyes will be mesmerizing and irresistible. Step 5. Bone structure. On the surface, this means your jawline and cheekbones, but there is much more to it than this. Your hyoid bone, chin, and maxilla also play a really big part in your facial aesthetics, but they aren't as talked about as the other ones, although they can make an even bigger difference. First, you will need to increase the bone mass in your whole body, which will also increase the bone density of your facial bones. This can be done by a combination of the right supplementation, weightlifting, high testosterone levels, and a practice called Wolf's technique, which is like training but not for your muscles, for your bones. If you want to learn how to exactly do all of this and also get the full guide on how to widen your frame, as mentioned earlier, check out Glow Up Academy at the second link in the description. Inside Glow Up Academy, you will get access to over 30 ebooks on how to glow up and also a personalized face rating with a complete guide on how you can become a 10 out of 10. There, we will tell you exactly what you need to improve and what your hairstyle and skincare routine should look like. And because I want to make this as accessible as possible for everyone, we just reduced the price to only $1 for the first week. So if you want to transform yourself and change your life, join Glow Up Academy now.